people! Welcome back! So now let's start here. Good evening, people! How was your commercial break? Ook. You're gonna race here at my mountain. Yes, Stevie! Baby, let's race! Yeah! Funky Kong will win this one! Oh, do your best, huh? Of course, from Kathy, we're gonna play this race in ASMR mode, which means we must be silent here. Is everybody ready? Pause down for a moment and I'll just get something. Safe at last! Uh-oh! Wow! What's going on now? That's a bit awkward now with the scoreboard. I don't even know why some of the red team members are already catching up. By the way, the next race we're gonna go to is the Grumble Volcano. By the way, I would like to ask you something. How was your commercial break? Ooh, I have a lovely commercial break. I ate some biscuits. Ooh, I ate BBQ ribs. Maybe fries. Yeah, but now we can't talk about food. We're gonna go to the race. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's hit it! Get ready for the Daredevil races, which are now about to be seen. And remember, what did I tell you guys? What on earth? Oh no, here we go again. I just know normally the first day she wouldn't be a fast racer. But now yet, oh, that was a close one. I thought I was gonna die for the matter. Look out! Hi, Ruru. Excuse me, Ruru. Can't you see I'm on my way to save the day? Yow! Whoa, I heard you, Scott. Scott, make it fast. We can do this. We can really win. I can sense who's the winner now. And that's... Ow. Excuse me. on, Alicia. Come on, brother Peter. Faster. Or brother Andrew. 1. Yikes, look out. 2. Whoa. No, I can't be here. Get me out of here. Guys, the floor's crumbling. That's great. Jewel, I like it. You're now in the front. Keep up the good work. Faster, Jewel, faster. Oh, bother. What on earth? Now we both must have spread apart. That's disgusting. I don't like that. Whoa, I can see that. That mommy Anka's already in the lead. I can't let this happen. I better catch up with him. Faster! We can do this. But that's great. At least that baby Jewel's already in the lead. I'm happy. It's just like last time when we first started. But I do not know. Oh no! Oh, luckily even if I don't take the jump, I still survive. Stay away from the left. Uh-oh! Jewel, look out! Well, at least the ball's in my court now. Come on, Jewel, make it fast! We have to get to the finish line first! Hurry! Before... Oh, no. Here comes the lady who copied my motorbike. Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj, why did you copy my motorbike? You're not supposed to be copying me. Please. Jewel, hurry up! The finish line's just nearby. I can sense that. Faster, you. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. Sorry. Yes! Alright! That's what I like! Yay! Baby win! Woohoo! Good job, baby Jewel. I like that. Racing for the finish line first. Wow, now that's something new about my first 4 convoyers. Now it's me, Baby Mario, Birdo, and Toad. Now I know who they are. Next! Alright, bring in the next race. Because in the next race, we're gonna go now to... The next race where we're gonna go to is... Here we are. Baby, our circuit. Yup. We have to race fast here because I can't tell whatever these other slowpokes have got to do with it. But good luck anyway. I'm counting on you. Remember what is important. Don't let that Jocelyn take action. 3, 2, 1. Hurry up! You can do this, yo. Oh my god, no! Away from me, please. Ate Karen, I don't even remember you being a fast racer for today. Whoa, Marcos, do your thing! Just like what I said. Faster, BBM, we can do this. Remember, stay away from the girls. You don't want to get eaten by them, right? Unless you're a red team person. Faster, baby Jewel, we can do this. Or baby Travis. Okay, that's good. Okay, Jordan Matter. Ow. No way. Ow. Great. It's not on my side. Jewel, that's my defense mechanism. I meant Travis. Whoa, what the fuck? Well, nothing affected it. That was a blue shell, but nothing affected it. I don't know why. Oh yeah, because it's in my spot. So why would I care? Guys, who got the... Oh no, not you, Nina. Get away from me. Not you, Nina Rayosa, but Nina from the G-Code squad. Alright, here we go. Stupid ink, you will never betray me now. Sorry, Alexa, I jumped over you. Okay, final lap. Take it away. Look out now. Uh-oh. Here comes trouble. But lucky thing I don't get into trouble. I'm always sacrificing for the win. Keep your eyes open. Oh no! Mommy Estella! Get away from me, Mommy Estella, please! You don't even belong here. Faster, we can move. We can do this. Mommy Estella! Sorry, I got the fence mechanism. No! Oh shoot! Now the tables have turned. What on earth? But that's great. At least second to the fourth, we made the chain. Although we lost the first point bonus just because of that Mommy Estella. But that's okay. It's okay to lose sometimes, right? Of course. Never mind na kung nakasar yung mga tao sa'yo. Basta't kaya mo yun. Gets? Yeah, I just noticed something wrong with the scoreboard right now. Because we're already on the lead. But the other team, I don't know what to say. But let's move on to the next race. We can't be late now.